Hi guys, I've got this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property right at the top of the hill. You've got the stunning views all the way to Minto Valley. This is in Boeing. This house sits on a massive 800 square meter block. It has been completely, from the inside, it looks brand new. So that's the dining space here. That's the living area in there. Downlights, ducted. Carpets have been recently changed. I'll take you through the master bedroom. That's the master bedroom. Massive room with an ensuite in here. So this, as I said to you, sits on a massive block. Look at the kitchen, guys. Immaculately kept. The main bathroom is over there. Laundry. Got 2 rooms over here. And then I'll take you into the entertainment space. You've got this massive entertainment area here, leads on to the swimming pool on here as well, and then you got that stunning views from the pool area. So that's the pool here, and look at those views over there, guys. This is one of the best ones we've got coming up. So if you are looking for something with a big block, really good size, stunning pool, give me a